Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Tokai. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. AI scans 10,000 plus viral TikToks daily to find hidden trends 48 hours before they peak so you can ride the wave before anyone else even notices. No filming. No editing. AI auto creates high engagement videos with proven viral hooks, captions, and transitions that TikTok's algorithm loves. TikTok rewards consistency. AI posts 5 to 7 videos per day at scientifically perfect times, forcing the algorithm to promote you non-stop. AI reverse engineers top viral videos and copies their best hashtags, captions, and engagement triggers, giving you an unfair advantage over competitors. While others burn out creating content, AI works 24/7, pumping out fresh viral-ready videos while you sit back and watch your views and sales explode. AI adds hidden buy now CTAs and affiliate links into videos, so every TikTok you post is engineered to generate non-stop revenue. AI auto replies to comments with witty, engaging responses and discount codes, keeping the engagement high while secretly pushing more sales. Enter a competitor's username, and AI reveals their best performing videos, hashtags, and engagement strategies so you can steal their success. AI selects exactly what hashtags drive millions of views, so you never waste time guessing or using ones that don't work. AI remixes trending TikToks with your products, hooks, and voiceovers, giving you an unlimited supply of content that's designed to blow up. AI takes any video and creates multiple versions with different captions, cuts, and formats so you can post more often without running out of content. AI analyzes each video's potential before you post so you never waste time on flops and only upload content with massive viral potential. AI connects directly to TikTok Shop and auto-generates product highlight clips, promo videos, and CTA-packed posts to skyrocket your sales. Never be late to the party again. AI sends instant alerts when a new trend, sound, or challenge starts blowing up, so you can jump on it before it peaks. Struggling to write attention-grabbing captions? AI generates killer hooks that stop scrollers in their tracks and make them watch to the end. Upload your product, let AI match it to 10 viral trends, and instantly get 30 ready-to-post videos without doing any work. AI analyzes your top-performing videos and creates even better versions, scaling your results on autopilot so your account keeps growing. AI tracks niche-specific viral patterns and suggests new content angles daily so you always have fresh, engaging posts ready to go. Unlike other tools that charge you every month, Tok AI is a one-time investment that lets you grow your TikTok empire forever with zero extra costs. For months, the US government fought tooth and nail to shut TikTok down. Congress held multiple hearings. Politicians called it a threat to national security. Even the FBI got involved. They tried everything to get rid of it. But TikTok is too powerful to stop. Despite billions in lobbying, aggressive legal battles, and media attacks, TikTok not only survived, it grew even bigger. Why? Because TikTok is too big to fail. With over 1.5 billion daily users, TikTok isn't just an app, it's a global economy. It's where businesses sell products, influencers build empires, and brands make billions. If TikTok vanished tomorrow, it would wipe out an entire generation of creators, entrepreneurs, and online businesses. A decade. That's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.